What a beauty, absolutely incredible car, one that we previously sourced and supplied to the last owner. This beautiful Audi Q3 TDI S-Line Plus Quattro. It is absolutely outstanding. Finished in Utopia blue metallic with just over £3,300 worth of factory fitted options. Just gleaming away. Registered October 2016 on a 66 plate, full service history. Great options. Satellite navigation, comfort pack, folding mirrors, front and rear parking sensors, just to name a few. It's all listed on the website, but let's take you all the way around it to show you how stunning this car is. Almost unmarked all the way around, it really is. So TDI Quattro, 2 litre, 150 brake horsepower, of course Quattro 4-wheel drive. Just when the sun catches the colour you can see it, absolutely gorgeous. Electric tailgate, another factory fitted option. Great size boot on it, beautifully clean. Split folding rear seats. Rear luggage cover. People always ask what are these hooks for. Just put your shopping bags on there, stop them rolling about. Another option is a space saving spare wheel. Normally no spare wheel on these cars, this comes with a spare wheel. All the loading area totally unmarked. Rear parking sensors, twin exit exhausts, all absolutely beautiful. No dents, scratches, scrapes, it is just stunning. All the tyres, plenty of tread on them, almost new tyres. We've had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated, so totally unmarked, like brand new. Also replaced the rear brake discs and pads. As you can see down the sides, no little dings anywhere. Chrome roof rails. Nice S-line on the bodywork there. Again you can see the front brakes, new discs and pads at the front. New centre caps all the way around, and that's actually a brand new tyre on there. The other one got a slight mark on the outer face. All the bodywork as you can see all across the front. Front parking sensors, headlight washers. The odd tiny stone chip on the bonnet and across the front, but absolutely nothing at all. It is gorgeous. And this is why I do the videos, to show you exactly what the cars are like. Nothing's left to chance. Full transparency. So again, the offside front wheel, tyre. While doing the videos, gives you the confidence to reserve this car or buy directly from the comfort of your armchair. And the final wheel. And again the tyre, as you can see, plenty of life. Beautiful inside, got the Alcantara door trim, no damage to the entry points, got the sports upholstery, leather Alcantara, undamaged, non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. It's got the black headlining, which again was an option when it was new. All the driver's door trim, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, plenty of storage there, and again no damage to the entry points there. Electric lumbar support, front support seats. You just get that support just under your legs. Of course, nicely S-line embossed. Again, there's no undue wear. Front centre armrest, media input. Cool box. Keep your drinks nice and cold in there. SD satellite navigation with a mileage of just 43,803. That's what it's done, 43,803. So very low mileage car for its age. Full service history. Stereo CD, 2 SD card inputs. All the menus straight in front of you. So again, nice big clear screen for the navigation and the media. Great sound system of the vehicle. DAB radio. Bluetooth phone connection. The full menu just to scroll across there, all nice and easy. Audi Drive Select, which again was an option on this particular vehicle to get the ride just right, and again shows in the dashboard in front of you or what ride you're on. That can also be controlled from the little button there or from the main screen. Onboard computer. Just shows you the compass on the dashboard. You've got the paddle shift gear change. Stereo controls, computer menu on there, voice activation,
navigation.
Just makes it easier for navigating or phone commands or radio commands. Cruise control speed limiter, dual zone climate control. Of course, the S-Tronic gearbox. Flick the gear lever across, drive it like a manual. Or just let it do its own thing on the automatic with the 7-speed automatic. Electric folding mirrors. So there we have it, our beautiful two-owner Audi Q3 TDI S-Line Plus Quattro. Just over £3,300 worth of factory fitted options. Absolutely outstanding condition all the way around. Full service history. We've just replaced the cam belt and the water pump, so you haven't got to worry about that for another 5 years. New brakes, wheels all refurbished, fully serviced. We're ready to drive away today. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. Click and reserve. Collect from our showrooms in Stoke-on-Trent, Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for further details. Check out our great finance offers direct on our website. Apply online off the website, quick and easy. Read about our raving fans reviews. Just like this customer who's been dealing with us since around 1998. Specialist cars, making buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Any further information, please call us on 01782 822 700. If you wish to get a personalised video of any aspects that we may have missed on this particular video, please give us a call. We're happy to send you a more personalised video with any further details. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer, Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call, 01782 822 700.